I had so much pressure na parang it's a weekly task and leader ako and I didn't want to lose the task. Pero looking back na parang it's not worth to win the task for this. And it wasn't even a valid kasi it's not even what I think. I don't care if they grill talk. It's normal. I don't want Hegel to win that weekly task kasi it's not a good weekly task to win po talaga para sa akin. I was really happy na we lost that and Carmel took the initiative po kuya to do that.
Of course, I want to win this task. Kasi syempre, it's the first and last task of Hegel. Of course, I want to win it. Pero kung ganito yung...
If this is how we win,
If this is how we win, it's not gonna be a victory in the end.
napaka-daming regret and napaka-daming guilt po kuya. And I feel very disappointed in myself for doing that. I should have just said my own name.
Si Joaquin patuloy na nagbigay suporta sa apektado pa rin na si Heath.
You're not a bad person, but you did not want to hurt people. Okay, and I'm sure everyone thinks the same of you, that you had good intentions. Because you did have good intentions. So don't be ashamed of yourself. We did it for the sake of everybody.
Sir, thank you.
And so did Caprice, and so did Sophia. You're a good person. Okay, you're a good person.
Hey bro.
And everyone believes that.
Si Sofia, emotional pa rin habang nasa kwarto.
To feel bad, bro. Kuya, sobrang nagigilty po kasi talaga ako sa task po, kuya. Sa usapan po kasi namin, kuya, sa Solid 6, magbibigay po talaga kami.
You good, bro? It's okay. You were everybody was under pressure during that.
Ang bigat po kasi nun sa pakiramdam, kuya, kaya nagsisisi rin po ako, kuya, na sana pala, sinabi ko po nung umpisa na naisip ko po yun, kuya, na what if wag na lang kaming bumoto.
Nais kong sabihin na ibinigay ko ang utos na yun hindi upang ituro lamang ang kakulangan ng inyong housemate, kundi upang bigyan sila ng pagkakataong magbago at mapabuti ang kanilang sarili sa pamamagitan ng inyong tapat na pagpapahayag. Bagamat ang katotohanan ay maaaring mahirap sabihin, harapin, ito naman kasi ay bahagi ng proseso patungo sa mas mabuti at mas makabuluhang pagkatao.